Hey, it's Shamika T. Askew with the Law Office of Shamika T. Askew, located in Brandon, Florida, and also licensed in the state of Michigan. So I had someone that I know reach out to me, and the individual had indicated that there's some issues going on with a family, and the issue pertains to what's going to happen with the person who passed away, their body, if the parents cannot decide whether or not they want to cremate or bury the child. So unfortunately, there is no will. And unfortunately, this child was pretty young, so no one would think about having a will for a child that's pretty young. So I pause there and say, I don't care how young your child is, 18th birthday, 19th birthday. I know it's really hard to think about, but it's best to go ahead and start getting your double power of attorney, your healthcare surrogate, your prenatal guardian, your living will, your will for the young adults, because unfortunately you just don't know when things are going to happen. So I just wanted to mention that. So getting back to the story, the question was, well, what happens if both parents can't agree and there's no will? Really great question. And to be honest with you, if they can't seem to figure it out outside of court in order to tell the funeral home, hey, this is the route we're going to take, then unfortunately this can be an issue that will end up in court, where we have to figure out how are we going to dispose of this, our child's body. And to be honest with you, you don't want to go through a situation like that, because ultimately you're going to have to put on evidence to the court to figure out what you believe is best, what you believe that your child would have wanted as far as his burial or cremation wishes. So I cannot stress enough. Again, I do not draft wills and trusts anymore. I used to be quite honest with you, I got frustrated that people never wanted to get it done, but then they would call me at the last minute, literally family members on their deathbed in hospice. I just couldn't handle that. It was just too much. So I highly encourage you all, please get it done. It's just so important. It's too important not to have. So I hope that helps. Again, Shamika T. Askew with the Law Office of Shamika T. Askew, located in Brandon, Florida, and also licensed to practice in the state of Michigan.